Oh, hello everyone, this is Luis from Coding Time. In this opportunity, I want to show you the arrays in JavaScript. We can think of an array as a list of items in JavaScript, a collection of elements, ordered, of different data types or the same. For example, we can think of the things to do on Saturday, for example, clean the bedroom, do the laundry, go running, etc. Okay? In this episode, we're describing what an array is, just a basic review, of course. We show how to create the syntax, how to access into it, and the properties and methods you can use to play around with it. And finally, we got a practical exercise to develop a good understanding and see what happens when we apply the theorem. An array is an arrangement of objects in a list, a collection of elements. It's a data structure we use to represent a list of items in JavaScript, same data type or different, and store multiple values into it. Okay? And now you may wonder, how do I create a JavaScript array? Of course, it's as simple as using square brackets. It's better for sure if we use plural, and this is the empty one array, literal. We can later add stuff on it because it's dynamic. The type and the length we can modify it. Okay, accessing an array is also simple. We just type it, console.log things that length, and we can index it, the element position. We can check the type of and the properties and methods of an array. Okay, the methods, they are built-in functions we can use to do some operations. For example, things that push, we can add a stop, a task at the end. Things that pop, we can remove a task from the end or an element, in this case in general. That shift remove the first element, that unshift add to the beginning of the list. Of course, there are several other methods. These are one of them, and we can use another ones in a practical example and in a daily basis. Okay, for the practical exercise, let's say you own a shoe shop and you have to organize it. Okay, I'm gonna give you an array list of all the available shoes you have in the shop. List the special off. You have to list the special offers you have in this day, and of course set the total sale amount. And the second one, we have to sort the shoes by price from the most expensive to the cheaper one, and find all the heels in the top. Let's say you have a client and she wants you to show her just the heels in the store. Okay, so let's jump into it, and good luck. So my friends, what we got here, I just created an HTML file, arrays.html. I put the title choose, don't forget the script, to connect to the arrays.js file. Okay, I also created a JavaScript file, arrays. This is an object, okay, the list of the shoes you have in the shop. Okay, all of these, they have a key pair. For example, a name has its type, price, and discount. All of them. We got athletic type, boots type, and heels type. Okay, and that's it. Okay, we got here 4 exercises. The number one, we have to list the special offers, and we're thinking about, for example, a good offer is like less than 100 and 25% off. Okay, first we need to create a constant. We we can call it like special offers, okay, equals to, we can use the method filter. We need to filter this, then we need to this function to, okay, and close the curly braces. Okay, here we need to pass the shoe. Why? Because it's gonna loop through over every single item or shoe, okay, and in the array and gives you the right shoe, those one that we know that is a special offer, okay. How do we do that? Okay, well, we need to find the cheaper than 100 and with a 25% of discount, for example, okay. Now we got if, okay, we need to say that shoe that price, those shoe which price less than 100 and the discount shoe that discount is equal to 25. Here is shoe, okay. For this element we just need to return true, okay. Okay, in this case we don't need the return false, as we just want the truly ones, okay. So that's it. Control save, and finally we just console that log, okay, the special offers, okay. Okay, control save, we just open the browser, inspect the element. Okay, we got an array of 4, okay. Okay, 4 objects, like hiking boots, price 70, okay, discount 25, okay, the cone, scarpin 60, and high tops, all of them with 25%, we got it, and less, of course, less than 100. But I want to show you something, okay. Let's say, okay, we got this one, but what if we want to show them correctly, like in a table, for example, console.table, control save, refresh the page, and that's it. Voila, beautiful. Okay, that's it for the first exercise. Okay, my friend, for the exercise 2, we need to set the total sale amount. Okay, we create again a constant, total price, let's say, equals to, in this case we're gonna use the method reduce, okay. Choose that reduce, okay. We just set the total that shoe, okay, and in this case we just want to use a function, but we can write it down in this way, okay, like an arrow. That's fine. Don't forget curly braces, semicolon, okay. We just return the total, okay, plus the should that price minus should that discount, okay, semicolon, okay, curly braces, okay, that's fine. Now we just console that log total price, okay, semicolon, control save, okay, open the browser, refresh, inspect the element. Okay, what we got here is an object. Are you wondering why an object? Okay, well, the first time we don't have a total, it's undefined, okay? So right here we just initialize it or set to 0, control save, refresh, and voila, we got 1050, okay? This is all for the second exercise. Let's try out the third one. We just need to sort the shoes by price, okay? So, as always, we just create a constant, let's say expensive, okay? In this time, we just need to use the sort method, okay? Sort method, okay? We just write down a function and pass A and B element, okay? Curly braces, don't forget the semicolon. Okay, now we need to go from the highest one to the lowest one, okay? So again, we create a constant for the highest one, more expensive, okay? Where the most expensive is that A that price minus A that discount, okay, semicolon. And the second is const that, let's say, cheaper, the cheaper one, the cheaper shoe in the shop, okay, is equal to B that price minus B that discount, okay, semicolon here, control save. Okay, now let's say if cheaper is greater than more expensive, okay, open curly braces, let's return -1, okay, semicolon, okay, else let's return 1, semicolon. That's it. Save, and let's console that table expensive, okay, semicolon, control save, refresh the browser, voila, we got here from the more expensive, you see 150 and the discount 30. This is the cheaper one, okay, 25 and 20% of the claim. Very good. Shoe tailor, shoes, athletic. As you see, the athletic are cheaper than the boots. That's fine, as always. Okay, and the last one exercise, we can make it to the end, okay? Find all the heels in the shop, okay? That's easy, because we just need to, again, create a constant, let's say heels, okay, shows that we just need to use a method, and you can guess what, okay? Yeah, filter, we pass the function shoe, curly braces, semicolon, if the shoe that type, of course, because we have athletic, heels, and both, okay? The type we're looking for is heels, okay? So, like string, heels, okay? Capital letter H. Okay, we just return true, close semicolon, and finally we just console that log now table for we to visualize it better. Console that table, here's, okay? In this case we just create a constant, we filter the shoes, okay? And loop through all the shoes in the shop till we find this same structure, this string heels, okay, this type, and return true, okay, and then finally we just show up. Control save. Let's refresh the browser, and voila, Mary Jane comes carping high and platform. You can tell the client, okay, these all are all we have. Okay, this is pretty much for this video. I hope you really enjoyed as me, because it's fantastic what you can do just combining an array with like a list of items. You can combine different data types, strings, numbers, okay? And then we just create contents, we loop through over the shoes, we use functions, we use array methods, and that is the power of JavaScript. So I hope you really enjoy it, and let's see each other in another occasion, okay? Keep going coding. Bye bye.